Some blogs get exploded with traffic and your blog gets nothing, no clicks. Do you think it's luck? No, it is not luck. There are some proven habits which top 1% freelancers use on their blogs. In this video, I'll tell you top 7 habits of these 1% bloggers they use to get so massive traffic on their blogs. And there's one disclaimer before you start. This video is not for people who are looking for some shortcuts, who want to get success overnight. Please, you can leave this video. This video is for serious bloggers, especially for bloggers who are not getting success from long time, who are struggling with their blogs to get traffic, even to get AdSense approval. Okay, with that said, let's start the habit 1. So habit 1 of top 1% bloggers, they treat their blogging like a business. So top 1% bloggers, they just not blog. They have clear goals, they track metrics, they use the right tools in their blogs. They have a schedule to create blog posts. They have a schedule to create when to do research about it. They have scheduled when to write the blog post, when to edit the blog post. Everything is scheduled. For example, they create a weekly workflow system. For example, Monday they will do research, Tuesday they will write blog post, Wednesday they will edit or improve the blog post, and Thursday they will publish the blog post. They use a content calendar. They plan blog posts in advance by category, keywords, and publish date. So what is gonna be your actionable step? How you can adapt this habit? So if you never did any of these things, now this is the time to start it. This will really make your life easy. It might sound complicated, but no, it will really make your life easy and make your blog work professional. So what I want you to do is to develop a system that, for example, every Monday I'm going to research about this blog post, and Tuesday I will create the first draft, and Wednesday I will completely edit the blog post, write the blog post, and Thursday I will publish the blog post. Choose day how much you want. I highly recommend you to take 2 days to write one blog post. And if now you're thinking, no, we want to write multiple blog posts today, no. If you're a beginner not getting success, this is the problem. Learn how to write quality blog posts. Take 1 day only to research, gather as much information as you can, take 1 or 2 hours, and next day with fresh mind, write that blog post completely. So this is your actionable step to get this habit. Once you start doing this, you can apply so many other things, what professional bloggers do to treat their blog like a business. Second habit would be their best friend is not AdSense. So what a lot of beginners does, they are always relying on AdSense. Sometimes they get depressed that they're not getting AdSense approval. I receive messages from people, they're applying for AdSense from last 5 years and finally they get some success. The AdSense was approved after 5 years. So do not rely on AdSense. The top 1% bloggers, they use multiple layers of monetizing their blog. They use affiliate marketing, they sell some digital products, they create email newsletter to sell their products or just get traffic in the blogs, and they also do brand deals. In starting, you might not do all this stuff, but what's gonna be your actionable step? So what I want you, take one blog post from your blog and then add one affiliate link to any of your blog posts. And now you must be thinking, what is affiliate link? Where do you get the affiliate link? So let me explain very quickly. So affiliate marketing is when you sell somebody else's product via your link, and somebody comes to your blog, they click on that link, but they buy somebody else's product. And once they buy that product via your link, you get a small commission. If you want to know the complete detail about how to do affiliate marketing, check the link in the description. I create complete video about it. So second action step for you for this habit would be, please add a newsletter sign up form on your website. You might not need to use it now, but please start capturing the emails from your blog. Okay, third habit would be they write for value, not volume. So publishing daily does not mean much if your content lacks the value. The top 1% write content that answer real questions with clear intent. These people, they take time, they do a lot of research before writing any piece of content. So what's gonna be your actionable step for this point? Please create a Google Sheet or a Excel and then write all the keywords and the keyword difficulty. Please do a lot of research before writing any blog post. I would recommend you please take 24 hours. I really recommend you create a document and then write all the important things what you will write in that document. Take images, take links, take data, take images, add everything to that sheet. That's like drafting the post, and then next day you write the blog post. So when you write the blog post, you have so much information about the blog post that your blog post is going to be quality blog post. So this is going to be your actionable step. So before writing a blog post, please collect all the data. With that said, let's go to habit 4. So habit 4, they use the Skyscraper 2.0 method. So what is Skyscraper 2.0 method? Imagine there's a building in your city which is a very tall building. If you want to beat that building, make your name, create a better building than that. So that's going to be Skyscraper 2.0. So what this top 1% blogger does, whenever they write a blog post about anything, they search that on Google or Bing or any search engine, and they take top 2 or 3 blog posts and they compare their blog posts from this blog post, and then they improve their blog posts. They create a better Skyscraper building, which is Skyscraper 2.0. So what I want, what is going to be your actionable step? So find a keyword which you want to write blog post about. Then open 2 or 3 blog posts which are top ranking in new tabs. And once you finish writing a blog post, compare your blog post with them and see what's lacking. Do they have more information than your blog post? Then try to add more information than their blog post. You can add more images, you can add more infographics. You can use the napkin.ai tool, which is a real nice tool. I already talked a lot of times on this channel about that tool. Please add videos if their blog post is lacking videos, if that's required. Just do not add the videos if that's not required. The whole idea is to make your blog post more useful than their blog post. Habit number 5, they master cross-platform promotion. So they don't just hit publish and pray that they'll get a lot of traffic. They're very strategic about their blog posting. They promote it on email, on X, on Pinterest, YouTube, LinkedIn, Quora, wherever this is possible. So what is your actionable step for this? So plan at least 3 ways to promote your blog post before publishing. For example, you can promote your blog post on LinkedIn, you can promote your blog post on X or on WhatsApp status or on email newsletter or on Facebook group. Anywhere. So plan at least 2 or 3 ways to promote your blog post. Just do not press publish and wait for the traffic to come to your blog post. You can create a Instagram reel from this post. Take out few important things from this blog post and create a reel about it. Create a YouTube short about it. Habit 6, they regularly update the old content. So the top 1% get most of the traffic from the old blog posts, not from the new ones. They don't chase new ideas. They optimize what already works. So what I want you, what's going to be your shameless step? So check your Google Search Console and find the top 10 blog posts, even they're getting like 5 clicks or 6 clicks. Try to identify those blog posts and try to improve them, update the information, add more images, add more links, add affiliate links, add some videos if possible. Just try to improve the old blog posts. I know a lot of people, they say, okay, we write 20 blog posts, our AdSense is not approved. No, do not stop after writing 20 blog posts. Blogging is a long journey. It's a marathon. It's not like, you create some blog post today and then you wait for traffic and that's it. That's all. You'll get a lot of money. No, you have to do it continuously. So when you do it continuously, after some time, keep coming back to your old blog posts, try to refresh them. Which means last 7th habit, which is very, very important. They review and optimize weekly. So top blogger does not depend on the guesswork. They know what's happening with their blog and they take action. So I really want you check the Google Search Console. Go there and see what's happening. Which blog posts are working, which are not working, where traffic is going down, where traffic is going up. If there's some issue with Google Search Console, check Google Analytics, check your email newsletter report, what's happening. Overall, you need to spend some time on looking what's happening with the blog. Do not just leave it to guesswork. Try to learn those things. I have so many videos on my channel where you can learn about all those things. Check the link in the description. I explain in detail how you can analyze your website, what's the issues with the website, why page is not being indexed, how you can optimize the crawl budget of your website by using a optimized robot.txt file. So try to learn about all these things, educate yourself. Do not depend on the guesswork. And guess what? I create videos on all these topics. Check the link in the description. So with this said, it's now time to take things in your hand. Do not do lazy blogging. Do quality blogging. Stop watching these people who are giving you shortcuts. Try to learn how to write a proper blog post. Take help of AI. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. Really appreciate it. And share with your friends or family who are struggling in blogging. Now, if you want to know how to choose the best niche and how to write a proper blog post which ranks, check this video on the screen.